Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In this video, I will guide you on how to create new label in Google Keep. Google Keep is an application that allows users to make different kind of notes. So if you want to create new label in Google Keep, first of all, go to the Google Keep application on your phone. Make sure that you are logged into your Google account. Then tap on the three lines you see on the top left corner. Now you will find create new label option here. Tap on that. You can name the new label according to your wish. For example, I'm typing my name here. Now tap on the right sign over here. Now go back, then tap on the three signs again, and you can see that the new label is created. So this is how you can create new label in Google Keep. This is it for today's video. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos, and thank you for watching.